Alright, I'm gonna have to voice over this recording because my music is literally just fucking blasting through it. You can't hear shit, so not doing that again. Essentially, I was saying that we're gonna just dump off open, I think, and I just wanted a little imbalance fill kind of trade. So yeah, this kind of is here just me kind of waiting for a trade here, and then the next shit is just gets into the bullshit, bro. Alright, here I'm just marking out the RTH gap. Nothing special. We ended up respecting it and turning up higher, respecting CE, which is usual. Right here, I was identifying we swept out London, and then I was looking for a gap fill, and we ended up we're filling this 30-minute gap here, and if we respected it and took out those equal lows in it, I was gonna look for longs, and we ended up making a bullish SMT inside of that 30-minute gap with those equal lows. We didn't sweep them on NQ, but we swept them on ES. Now I'm kind of looking for a trade to the upside here. I'm looking for longs. If we inverse this gap, I was ready to go long, and unfortunately, NQ did not want me to long on them. This is where that bullish SMT comes in to give me further confirmation for these longs, and that we don't need to sweep out the NQ lows, equal lows here. So. And now here I'm kind of freaking out a little bit because it won't let me enter into my position here. We didn't invert the gap yet, but it just wouldn't let me press buy. And I was like, oh my god, it's gonna take off without me again. So I was like, what the fuck's going on here? Like, what the fuck can I do? Like, literally the buy option at the bottom there just like wasn't working. I didn't know if I had to set my stop loss lower or higher or whatever. I just was kind of fucking panicking here, so I was like, dude, like I don't even know what to fucking do, and I ended up under leveraging, and I went in with one fucking micro, and I got the worst fill ever, bro. Like literally the worst fill. So I mean, this was just a fucking learning curve at the end of the day. Definitely like a Project X, or hopefully Alpha Future comes out with their own platform, because I do not like TradingView. Maybe I'll like it with these buttons, but dude, like this shit literally was so fucking annoying. Like drawing out the tool and then it just not like I don't even know, man. This was rough. Yeah, I mean, I'm in the trade here, but like fucking barely. I'm barely in the trade. I'm in it with one micro, and look at my fucking fill. My fill was disgusting. Ended up just smacking TP, and if you were trading today, you knew how far we pumped up today. Very unfortunate on my end. A lot of things I could have done better and can learn from today. So just a very fucking stressful trading day today. I cannot lie. Um, yeah. Right here too. I think I just get up and I'm like, dude, what the fuck just happened? Like I'm like, dude, I don't even know what just happened. Like absolutely ridiculous.
All right. What the fuck? All right. I have been waiting literally all day to make this video. Let me put on Straightaway and let me throw on my executions from today because it was really, really shitty today. Really shitty. Um, Hello. All right. I guess I didn't take any trades. Hello. Hello. All right. I guess I didn't take trades today. Maybe I didn't revenge trade today. I didn't revenge trade today. Nothing to learn from. All right. So from what I recorded, this trade right here was captured. So let's go back to 9:30 and let's recap what's happened here. Um, Going into it, I was assuming shitty conditions. So with that in mind, I only really wanted to take um a 1-to-1, a quick little imbalance fill or something like that. But we ended up getting a fucking beautiful ass textbook trade. And let's go through it. Open lower, we sweep out these relative equal lows. Boom, boom, boom. We dump even further into this. I think this is an hourly gap. No, 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 it's a 30 minute. It's a 30-minute gap. And it's not made yet, but we come down and we make a bullish SMT. We're respecting this gap. This is at 9:37. We make the bullish SMT, and fucking boom, we fly to the upside, and we get a textbook ass fucking inverse, inverse here, and inverse this as well. So boom, you can enter right off that. This is 38. So this is a 2-minute candle as well. Yeah. So 2-minute inverse, fucking, oh my, beautiful. Um, Boom, just like this, and then put the stop below. this gap here. Targets, we target midnight open. Um, the external draws above. Uh, I wouldn't target that. So I would just target a 1 to 2, quick 1 to 2, um, if anything. But I'd probably go for midnight open or maybe these highs. So yeah, textbook 1 to 5 RR. What ended up happening is it wouldn't let me place the trade, and then it was getting too far, and I cut risk, which um a ton of shit to learn from today. I am going to be turning these on at 9:30 because doing this is just taking too much time and I'm not able to get into my trade. Just I need to be able to just tap it like I am with I used Project X. I'm new to trading view trading and I fucking hate trading view honestly. It's just laggy. I don't know if that's because I'm on like the most minimal subscription, but the candles are just lagging. Like I feel like it's delayed. I get bad fills. Um, but yeah, so I'm gonna be just using these buttons. It's literally as simple as it fucking gets, and then I'm just gonna be manually setting my stop loss and take profit because I am not going to fucking miss my entry again because of some dumb shit. So that is one thing. Um, then so this ended up playing out, ended up smacking. I took my take profits at this full new week opening gap for a 1 to 1. I think my stop loss was even like at this new week opening gap. So I think it was like a two, I don't know, something like that, which both were valid just because of the fucking displacement. We took out liquidity, made this external SMT inside this 30-minute gap, swept out all of this junk on ES. Textbook ass fucking trade. Beautiful momentum, beautiful V-shaped recovery. Textbook. I ended up only making $60 on this trade. $60. So I hopped off right after that. I hopped off and I went back because I had no class. I was in class and there was no fucking class. So I went back and then I hop on the charts and I see that we are forming a nice retrace. Like we had a 15-minute inverse. That's what I waited for. 15-minute inverse, and then we come and back and tap into it. So let me draw that out. This is the 15-minute inverse. Boom, boom, boom. We don't tap back into it just yet, but we end up tapping back into it. And then I think we come even to like the VWAP here. But we come in and we come back to a discount. So like, fuck yeah, yeah. We come back to VWAP and then we inverse this 1 minute. Boom. I'm in another trade. Um, isn't bad. I'm not revenge trading. I think it's a pretty solid trade. And then I was targeting here for a little 1 to 2. Boom, boom, boom. And I ended up getting stopped out right there, I think. I think I literally had my fucking stop loss, like literally right here. And this just goes right to take profit. And then we inverse this, and I get into a trade right here again. It literally just wicks me out. I'm into another trade, and then I think I put it at CE of this new week opening gap. And then now I'm targeting this new week opening gap with the liquidity in it. I don't even target the liquidity. There's that wick, the obvious ass wick. I'm not even targeting it, just the and this new week opening gap. And this happens. I end up getting literally fucking wicked out and we go straight to TP. So yeah, I'm crashing out a little bit. I'm like, what the fuck? Um, what the fuck? And then I don't take another trade here. I'm just like, bro, like fuck me. I hop off and then PM session comes around and I just take some more stupid shit. So just low leverage, like, because I didn't hit my 1R. Let me see what happened on the day. I didn't um I didn't lose 1R because I made like that stupid bread off the fucking trade entry that I missed again. And so I was just taking like little fucking risks because I was just pissed. But it was all right because definitely learning some from it from today, and I'm gonna change my trading because of it. Yeah, 9 trades, I lost 1R. Not even, not even 1R. Um, had a great gym session because of it. But this is just not very clean to me. Like these new week opening gaps, I need to have these marked out because this is my model. Like I take trades off of these gaps, RTH, but it's just this is kind of freaking me out. Like I feel like there's too much going on. So I think I'm gonna switch back to um this style. I think this is cleaner and like visually more like chill. I would have to figure out, yeah, this is like just so much cleaner and like easy on my eyes. Before there's just too much shit going on. I'm gonna have to clean this up a little bit overnight, but some takeaways from today's trading. That's what I'm going to be doing every trade recap. One thing that I learned, at least, there's always something you can learn from a trading day. So today I learned that I'm going to stick to 2 trades maximum a session. If they're both losses, I'm done for the day. Um, if one's a loss, one's a win, and I'm break even, something like that, then if there's something really clean in the PM, which it probably wouldn't be, I'll come in PM and I'll take it, but definitely going to be trading more psychologically mechanical in that way, just because of I don't want a repeat of what happened today. Because I didn't have any like psychological rules set for myself because that was my strong suit. Um, my psychology, I've never had a problem with that before. So that this was like the first like kick in the ass. Um, and I was thinking about not posting that, but that's just going to be a detriment to my growth. So I'm going to be posting this uh, kind of revenge trading, even though I didn't fucking blow anything. I didn't lose like a grand or something. I didn't lose at 1R, but like I was just fucking around with the micro because I was pissed. Also, I am going to be for evals. This isn't going to be for when I'm funded, but for evals, I'm going to be risking the same per setup. So usually I'll cut risk if I think it's lower probabilities or whatever. But for the sake of time, I always take a very long time with my evals. So for the sake of time and ROI, I'm going to be just risking the same 250 every setup just because I think this is smart. And then of course I'll sometimes I'll up the risk if it's like all the stars are aligning. But yeah, and for future evals, I'm gonna even just keep increasing. But I'm still kind of new, so I'm gonna keep it calm with 250. But definitely not gonna risk under that. I'm gonna keep the same risk every trade. So definitely some good takeaways from today's trading. But I'm gonna clean up these charts, so you guys are gonna see nice, cleaner charts for from now on. So yeah, that was today was a very good trading day in regards to learning. So I'm happy with the outcome. Yeah, been waiting to make this because this was a needed recap. So yeah, that's it.